Canva to design course assets, this tip is for you. I'm going to show you how to create a brand kit so that you can keep your company's or your clients' logos, fonts, and color schemes organized and easily use them as you create learning resources. As instructional designers, it's so important to follow a company's brand guidelines. Luckily, Canva makes it easy to organize the visual elements of those guidelines. So let's jump in and see how it's done. From Canva's homepage, choose Brand Kit from the options along the left side. Since I'm working in the instructional design company's Canva, you can see we already have a brand kit created. To create a new brand kit, click Add Brand Kit. Give the kit a name, since you can have multiple kits, and click Create. Now you can get started by adding your company's or your client's logos to the Brand Logos section. Click the plus sign to choose a file from your computer. Note that you should have multiple logo options. For example, one that works well against a dark background and one that works well against a light background. That way, whatever your design is, the logo will always be visible. It's also easy to add your brand's colors. Click the plus sign off to the right to search and choose for a pre-made palette if you like. If your company already has a custom palette, just click the plus sign under this blank palette and enter the color's hex code. You should be able to pull the hex code from your company's full branding guidelines. Note that if you need to remove a color from the palette, just hover over it and select the X to remove it. Last up is the fonts. Canva has 3 font style categories to which you can assign a certain font: heading, subheading, and body. Click one of the styles and choose a common font, the size, and whether it should be bold or italics. If you have a custom font that your company uses, use this button to upload your own font from your computer. One last quick thing I'll show you now that you have a brand kit added in Canva is how to access it when you're working on a design. So let's look at this Canva design as an example. Say I want to customize the image for my client. I can select a text box, click on the font options, and down here under brand kit, it lists the fonts that I've added in so I can easily find them when I'm working on a design and I don't have to search for them. A similar thing happens when I select a shape and edit the color. I have options here for the colors that I've added to my brand kit so I can easily choose something that matches my branding. To add my company's logo, I'll first need to open up my options over here on the left and scroll down where I see logos. Now I can choose one of the logos I've uploaded to my company's brand kit. And there it is. So you can see how adding a brand kit to your Canva account can make it easy to make sure any course assets you create fit within a company's visual guidelines.